In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook page private on mobile devices. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Facebook, then go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then all you want to do is you want to press on this drop down menu and go ahead and press on your Facebook page that you're going to be working with. So here's our Facebook page over here, and the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right one more time, select on your profile picture, then go ahead and select on settings and privacy right over here. All right, then you want to go ahead and select on settings, and it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And from here, you just want to scroll down until you see this option that says page and tagging. So please select on that. And over here is all of the different privacy settings that you guys can go ahead and adjust. So you can go ahead and make it so that no one is able to see your post, or only you can see your post. Only you can see your posts on your page and stuff like that. And you guys can also select who can see what others post on your page over here. And then over here, you can go ahead and adjust more settings over here. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.